Artists like DJ Maphorisa, Jazzy Q, and Battle 929 are not amapiano innovators, rather businessmen who see opportunities and utilize on them. That is a major issue in amapiano industry. Its model favors producers more than vocalists. The issue with this is that we end up losing great talent due to lack of structural representations. I have no problems against these producers. I believe they played a major role in ensuring the genre grows bigger commercially, but artistically it might take a knock due to overshadowed talents such as Muhle Setro, Something Soweto, Niapel, Mohawkis, and many others. What the sound needs are a bunch of vocalists that are able to sell over 10 million streams on their projects on the first week of sales. And talents like Daliwonga, Setro, Muhle, and Something Soweto have the potential to achieve such numbers on their body of works. Even the labels such as Gipa Entertainment are not willing to achieve such numbers, even though they have two of the most popular piano acts in Lim Crazy and Scott Maphuma.